Hey guys, we're here to do a quick video on the distributive property. Okay, so the distributive property means that you are multiplying a term, usually a number in this unit, by a parenthesis set. So there's often variables, there's constants, you might have positives, you might have negatives, but you're multiplying it by everything that's in the parentheses. Okay, so I really need you to know the distributive means multiply. All right. So if you are distributing a positive number, that means the 2 is multiplying into both of these pieces. We are going to keep the signs, okay? So I'm going to keep that 3x positive. 2 times 3 makes a positive 6x. And I'm going to keep the minus that's inside. 2 times a negative 7 makes a negative 14. I do not need to combine anything. Those are my full answers. It's a single step right here, okay? But when we distribute a negative, remember our integer operations. If I take a negative times a positive and they have different signs, I need to change it. I need to change it to a negative. So that's going to change to a negative 20x instead of a positive. Okay? Same thing. If I come in and multiply a negative times another negative, when they have the same signs, they turn out positive. Okay? So that means I'm changing that minus into a positive. Negative 4 times negative 3 gives me a plus 12. These do not both have x's, so I cannot combine them. That's my final answer. All right, last one is what to do when you're distributing just a negative, but there's no number in front of the parentheses. I'm going to zoom in real quick. Think about that as kind of having an imaginary little 1 here. What that's going to do for us is it's going to change all of our signs, but it's not going to change our number. So negative 1 times 6 makes a negative 6. Basically, I just changed the 6 to a negative. Negative 1 times a negative 8x. Basically, I'm just changing the 8 to a positive. Nothing to combine, nothing to rearrange. Technically, it would be the same thing if we rewrote this as 8x minus 6. Just kind of depends on what kind of problem you're doing. Okay? All right, if you have questions, please let me know.